Vipi wadau, welcome to Traffic Designer. This is where I teach you how to do graphic design using your smartphone. Na leo nataka to design a car wrap, like a sticker. Ile sticker inakanga kwa gari, maybe ya campaign ama ya kampuni to advertise. So we're going to make that design using Pixellab, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. So the first thing you need to do, you have to identify the type of vehicle you want to design the car wrap for. So kama ni lorry, kama ni pickup, you search exactly for that blueprint. Now in our case tutatumia van, so you will go to Google and search for van blueprint, right? Then you select the one that shows every angle, ya juu, ya chini, ya side, ya juu, ya side, ya front and back. Then you're going to design for each specific side. So in our case, we're going to the background, then from gallery, and you're going to select the blueprint that you've downloaded. So it's this one, and we want to crop it itoshe vizuri kwa our canvas. So tutaanza na hiyo side, we crop that part and this other part below, and uhakikisha uja crop vile gari inatoshana exactly. You just leave some space. You make sure it's bigger than the car itself, a little bigger than the car. So this is the car that we want to design. This is the van that we want to design the sticker for, the wrap design for. So side ya nyuma, so let's first hide these elements, and crop our background again. Now we want to crop this side, that side. So let's place our elements again.